But the stock today, which was clearly in the limelight, was Reliance Industries after it announced a strong third quarter earnings. In fact, during intraday trade, it gained as much as 7%, but finally it ended the day high by just about 2.3%. Let's get Rajesh Sharma. He now joins in from our research team to tell us how exactly the brokerages read into Reliance's numbers. Ajay, what do they have to say?
Well, Reliance did open with a big, massive gap up 4.5% at one point in time, fresh 52-week high. It closed off highs, but still managed 2.5% kind of gain in the market today and gave a lot of support to the market. Most brokerages have reacted positively to the third quarter numbers, saying that the worst is over for Reliance Industries and refining is the area which will be leading the earnings for the next 2 to 3 quarters. Petchem also, probably the worst is over. The volume and pricing growth will only improve from here on. Most of the brokerages have from neutral or sell or hold have become a buy. Some of the big ones like Macquarie go on to say that it's an outperformer. 1100 or thereabouts is the new price targets which are being raised for Reliance Industries post third quarter numbers. It will be interesting to see that the Rangarajan committee recommendation, that is the area where most of the brokerages would like more clarity on. Otherwise, the worst probably is over according to brokerages for Reliance Industries stock.
We've hiked our target price by as much as 34% last week. Actually, Reliance spending $30 billion in capex, and actually part of that already beginning to flow through in earnings. We feel that Reliance's profits are poised to nearly double over the next 4 years. We think that valuation increase, a valuation re-rating is going to precede the earnings growth.
Reliance has been one of our favourites. We've been suffering having it one of our favourites for the past few years. But, obviously the buyback has helped the share price, and I think, we were all surprised with those fantastic results. So, I can probably see, even with this rise today, over the course of the next month or so, that we'll start to see that price get nearer to 1,000 as we all become expectant of a move in the gas price.
Going forward, the major amount of news flow which would probably drive Reliance stock price would be twofold: from the refining space and E&P space. How exactly the price revision in the shale gas contribution coming in, and more than anything else, I think the revival, probably not called revival, but I think would say that implementation of 4G technology and the kind of prospects thereon could also basically drive the sentiments and the market price of the stock.